about that Grok life. Elon really know about that Grok life. And we really all about that. Grok life, Grok Nation. Still chillin', still chillin', still campaigning.
Welcome, Grok Nation. Thanks for joining me today. Check out the Grok Radio playlist in this channel for amazing Grok music. Subscribing, liking, commenting, and pressing that notification bell is very appreciated. This supports your investment. Now let's compare from yesterday's metrics.
The price today for your token is 0.0073 cents, up 2.12%, with volume down 14.12%. The price is ranging from a high of 0.0076 and a low of 0.0072. CoinGecko is showing a market cap of 46,565,000, which is up, and a trading volume of 4,517,000, which is down. Etherscan is showing 19,625 holders, which is down 4 holders. CoinGecko shows the top 3 exchanges by volume are number 1 HTX with 29.59%, number 2 is Gate.io with 20.61%, and number 3, Bitmart with 11.43%. For our social presence, on X, our main account has 22.7 thousand followers, and our main Telegram channel has 25,916 members, which is down 39.
I hope everyone watching today is living their best Grok life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Grok Radio, Grok Life, Grok Nation.
What you really know about that Grok life? You don't really know about that Grok life. Elon really know about that Grok life.
Quickly before you go, can you predict tomorrow's price? Let us know in the comments.
We're going to the moon, bitches.
Holy guacamole, this shit is pumping, yeah. We be going to the billions now, hey. Steady breaking our time high, the shit is pumping. Grok is popping, yeah. Go spread the news around, now Grok is coming with fire, hey. Go tell your friends around, now Grok is coming with fire. Elon knows about the Grok life. Pepe knows about the Grok life, yeah. Floki knows about the Grok life. Even Shiba Inu loves the Grok life, yeah. The love is contagious. Grok is contagious. Grok is contagious. The love is contagious. Grok is contagious. I said it before and I say it again. Grok is the best meme coin in the game. We've done it before and we'll do it again. Take it to $1 billion again and again.